Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Add to Calendar link in an Outlook email message. This is incredibly useful when you want to share event details with colleagues or clients and allow them to add the event directly to their own calendars with just one click. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Make sure you wait for all your emails to fully load before proceeding. This ensures that the application is ready and you have access to all the features you'll need for creating your calendar link. Once your emails have loaded, it's time to navigate to the calendar section. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon. Click on it to switch from your email view to your calendar menu. This is where we'll create the actual appointment that you'll later share via email. Now that you're in your calendar menu, pick a date when you want to create your calendar appointment. Click on that date to select it, then locate the New Appointment button at the top left part of your screen and click it. Here's where you'll fill out all the necessary details about this appointment, including the title, location, date, time, and any agenda items or notes that attendees should know about. Take your time here to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you've filled in all the details, click on the File menu at the top, then select Save As. You'll need to choose a location on your computer that you can easily access later. This is important because you'll need to find this file again in just a moment. Save this calendar appointment as an ICS file. After it's saved, head back to your Mail menu by clicking on the Mail icon. From your Mail menu, click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens a fresh email composition window where you'll create the message that contains your calendar link. Now comes the clever part where we add your calendar link. We're going to create a clickable button that recipients can use to access your calendar appointment. From your email composition menu, click on the Insert tab at the top, then look for and click on the Shapes drop-down. Select a sample shape. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a square shape and add it to your email body. Position it where you want it to appear in your message. Once the shape has been added to your email, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, select Link. Now you'll need to select the file directory where you saved the appointment we created earlier. Navigate to that location and insert the ICS file into this shape. This links the shape directly to your calendar appointment. Don't forget to add descriptive text to your button to make it interactive and noticeable. Something like "Click to add to calendar" or "Add event to your calendar" works perfectly. And there you have it. You can now easily share and send this calendar appointment through email, and recipients can simply click the button to add the event to their own calendars. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.